Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the adjustable Pinch Perfect. Okay, so when you receive it, this is exactly how it will come bagged up. Take it out. So first off, the bag that it comes in has two QR codes. They'll take you to the same page. It'll actually take you to the page you're watching on right now. But QR code for assembly, how-to videos, and things to know about the product before using. So scan those, it'll take you to this page right here. So let's take everything out. So it's wrapped up and we have everything right here. You have your arm, and then attached to the other arm with the Pinchy sticker on there will be your holders. They have a fluorescent dot on them. That way you know exactly where the holders are. So we can take that off with the sticker. We'll set these aside for now. The other arm right here. And then here is the base with the center holder on it, and it'll be turned upside down. So we're gonna take this out, set this to the side, and here is the base. So we'll set that right there. We have all of our parts. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna put in both of the arms. So we're gonna take the arms. We wanna make sure that both of them are facing out like this. So logo facing out, this logo facing out. Open up this a little bit, and then we're just gonna slide them in. Then make sure they're all the way in the end and they're stuck in there. So we're gonna open this one up and then do the same thing for the other side. Slide it in, all the way back, all good. Next thing up is the center brace. We're gonna make sure that the release button for the center brace is facing out like this on the side with the Pinch Perfect on the front. And as you can see, there's two slots. So right here, as you can see, and then right here as well. And these are going to slide under in this groove right there, facing this way into those grooves. So we're gonna open up the arms, place it in, and all it should be is just pushing down on both sides, and it's in there. Once you can slide it back and forth, it is all good. And the last thing are the holders with the fluorescent dot and sticker on them. So we'll open this up and then put these in. Okay, so we're gonna take the holders out. So to put the holders in, we're gonna pop out the box to the side, and we're gonna just place each one into their spots. Push down, other side, push down, and then there you go, they're both in there. So we're gonna open the arms up, place it in, push down, and then now you have your fully assembled adjustable Pinch Perfect.